Hi there everybody, Lara Riggio here from my Central Park Energy Center right here in the heart of Manhattan, and I'm going to share with you the featured oil for this month, lemongrass. This is a really great one because it smells really good. If you ever had lemon heads when you were a kid, it's a very nostalgic smell for me. That's what it smells like, a little bit sweet, very fresh and citrusy. I just love the smell of it, and it's also really good for helping reduce inflammation, getting your lymph to move a little bit better, and giving some energy to the digestive process. From an emotional standpoint though, it's really great for eliminating those shoulds in your life. How many times have you done something you didn't want to do because you felt like you should do it? Well, the exercise I'm about to show you is going to not only show you the positions you can place this to help get the anti-inflammatory, digestive, and lymph benefits from this, but also help to remove those shoulds so that you can feel free to make a choice about what you want to do versus feeling pressured by anybody else, okay? So you're simply going to take the lemongrass oil and you just put a little bit on your fingertips. And the spots that are really, really good to use this on for allergies are right up here. These are great sinus points. And then you can put another drop right here under your cheek here and here. And then for lymph, to move the lymph, you could put a little bit right here under your clavicle on each side. These are very, very important kidney meridian points. And rub that oil in and then tap those points. And guys, if these are tender, you really, really need this. So if they're tender, tap it for a little bit longer, maybe a little harder, okay? And this is gonna help move the lymph points that are associated with the kidney meridian, the acupuncture system. So then you're also gonna take it and you're gonna put it on the rib cage, on either side of your rib cage, here under your chest and here. And this is gonna help stimulate your liver and spleen meridians, okay? And all of these meridians are really helping you detox and digest food too. And they can be a great energy boost as well. Now for the emotional component. So lemongrass is a great one to help eliminate shoulds. So to use it for that, you rub it on your hands, and you could do this with or without the oil, okay? Breathe it in, and I want you to think about all the shoulds that you have in your life right now. So breathe in anything you feel like you should do that you don't want to do. Okay, and tap the side of your hand as you think to yourself, even though I feel like I should do this thing I don't really want to do, I can release this pressure and really get in touch with what I want right now. Switch hands. Even though I'm feeling this pressure around all these things I think I should do, I'm willing to release the shoulds and the pressure and think about what I really want. Now, put one finger in your belly button, the other in between your eyebrows, pull up on those points and take a deep breath. And exhale the air out. Then you're going to take your hand up on your forehead, holding main neurovascular points, which are stress relieving points. When you hold them, you're actually bringing blood, sending a signal to bring blood back to your forebrain, and this can help stop a fight, flight, or stress response, okay? As you hold this, you're going to place your other hand on your pubic bone, okay? So go down from your belly button to your pubic bone at the base of your pelvis and tap here as you think to yourself, I can get in touch with what I really want to do and take action on that. Release the shoulds, because it's never good to do anything I don't want to do. It sends the wrong signal and is exercising opposite energies and taking way more effort and energy from my life than it should. Pause here and breathe into that chakra. Exhale the air out, and then you're gonna go right below your belly button to your second chakra. Tap here and just think to yourself, I can let go of this should and get in touch with what I really want to do. and take action on that versus feeling pressured. Pause here and breathe into this. And exhale the air out. Now you're gonna go in between your rib cage, right at your solar plexus, and tap here, thinking to yourself, I am willing to let go of the pressure that comes with this should, and think about what I really wanna do instead, and act on that. Pause here, breathe into this. Exhale, and then go to your heart and tap here. I am willing to let go of the shoulds, tap into my heart's desires, and act on those instead. Pause here and breathe into this. Exhale, go to your throat and tap here. I am ready, willing, and able to set a boundary and say no to anything I feel like I should do, but I don't really want to do. I can express my needs and my boundaries with ease. Pause here and breathe into this. Exhale, and then go in between your eyebrows. I can see myself having a schedule free of shoulds. I'm excited about seeing a schedule filled with only things that I want to be doing. I can see myself having space and time for myself, where I can take care of myself and have time for work and play. Pause here, breathe into this. Exhale and take your hand on the top of your head and tap here. I am ready, willing, and able to release shoulds and really only do what I want to do, what feels good to me. Because doing anything just because I think I should do it out of guilt or obligation really isn't done with the right energy at all. It's not done with a pure intention, and so it's just going to be creating stagnant energy and stress in my life. So I'm willing to release the shoulds now and just do what I want to do, set boundaries, and ask for what I want with grace and ease now. Excellent. We've just moved that energy through your chakras. And if you haven't already, check out Terry Cole's Boundary Bootcamp Masterclass, because while this is going to move the energy out, Terry has great, beautiful boundary language that you can use to help you create these boundaries with real grace and style in your life. So I know I'm going to be on it. I hope that you will too. And so much love, so much ease, and contentment this fall. This fall doesn't have to be crazy. You really can plan it in a way that works for you.